Okay, company called for a no start on a Freightliner. So we're going to check it out and see what it is. Sometimes these trucks sit for a while. We're in Perryville, Maryland right now. So we're going to get volt measurement and then go from there. So let's take a look. All right. There's an older Freightliner, so the batteries are here in the frame. Which makes it a lot easier. Whoops. All right. Just got done raining here. It's been raining for a little while. What the hell? It's stuck on. All right. Where's my voltmeter? All right, we're gonna see how low the batteries are, and we'll go from there. All right, that's 6.43 volts. Let's see if my battery pack can jump this. If not, I'll have to use my machine. So get the battery pack. This battery pack he just bought a few weeks ago is made to jumpstart trucks. Most trucks have 4 batteries in them, at least tractors wise. Straight trucks will have 2 to 3. So we'll see if this battery pack can jumpstart at 6 volts. I know it can jumpstart at 8 volts. But we're gonna see if we can do it at 6. Let's see, down there like that. Actually, it's not gonna matter. I can do this battery. Okay. Turn it on here, see what happens. It's at 8. All right, let's see if she'll start. It's just got regular batteries in this truck anyway, no AGMs. Yeah, I don't think it's gonna work. Try it one more time. No, it's not. It's not gonna be strong enough. All right, so we're gonna have to use the machine for this one. Yeah, E6. I got you. All right. All right, I wasn't sure if it was gonna work or not. Like I said, I can do it at 8 volts, but it being 6 probably kind of pushing it. So the truck's probably been sitting for a while. So let's see. Probably should fill up the tank. I don't know. Haven't used that starting the machine for a good while. So we'll hook up the cables and I'll probably just top off the tank, so I don't have to worry about running out of fuel. Anyway, I'll charge them for a bit, for about 10-15 minutes, get some charge in these batteries. And what I'll probably do is stop the video from there, because I doubt y'all want to be hanging out with me for for about 15-20 minutes while it's charging. And then I'll cut the video back on when I get ready to start the truck. There's supposed to be a driver out here waiting for it, but over here, they always say that, but they're never here. I almost bet you he took another truck. So these guys haul out of here at nighttime. But I'll get the truck running, make the call, see where he's at. And we'll go from there. All right. Let's see. Oh damn, my truck has a power glitch. Sometimes it powers off. Oh. I hate when it does that. I told my boss about it. He calls it a power glitch. He said the other service trucks do it too, the newer service trucks. There we go, it's coming back on. All right. It's back on. I thought it was loose connection, but apparently it's not because I've checked. There we go. All right, back to what we're doing. Sounds kind of empty. Like I said, I haven't used it for a long time. I checked the oil in it to make sure everything was okay. But this charger here, my boss built this thing. This motor on there eats some gas. I almost said the F word. All right, let's see if that's good now. Yeah, it's almost full. So I must have had a half tank in there, if I can see it already. All right. Down there. I always bring a towel with me in case I spill it or something. But didn't do it this time. All right, let's get this thing started. We'll start charging it. Make sure it's charging. I know my battery in this thing is going to be dead. I've tried to charge this battery. Need the key. Boss said need a charge. I charged it, but it doesn't hold a charge anymore. So this thing needs a new battery. So try it anyway. Yeah, that's what I thought. See if it's charging, and then I'm gonna stop the video And once it's been charging for about 15 minutes or so, I'll cut the video back on. I can't get a good reading on this thing. 15. Come on. There we go. 13. All right. It says 13, 15. So I'm gonna let it charge for about 15, maybe 20 minutes. Tighten down the terminal, make sure it's tight, and then I'll be back after that. I'll cut it back on before I do anything else. All right, so I got it charging for about 25 minutes, maybe 30 not by now. So we're gonna see if it starts. I did a voltage check, it was at 12.7. So we're gonna see how well this thing starts up. Gotta let it cycle through before you can start it. There we go. Alright, so she's running. Alright. And most of these trucks have idle shutdown. I tightened all the terminals except for these two here. So we just want to make sure they're tight, which they are. And then we're going to put everything away. I'll call the customer and find out where the driver's at. Well, actually, I got the driver's number, so I'll call the driver, see where he's at. Like I said, I'm pretty sure he already took another truck. Keep forgetting to lock that door. All right. Always run the machine out of gas, especially during the winter time. That way, if there's any water, I do put an additive in there. I run it out of the carburetor so that way nothing accumulates in there or any water freezes up inside or whatever, anything like that. I just let it go until it runs out of fuel. But I do put an additive in there, especially during winter time. Every now and then I gotta hit the fuel pedal on this thing. It doesn't shut off. Alright, for some reason they don't keep their lights on in the parking lot here. Over here at this warehouse. If it has any battery power. Yep, okay, well, let's charge the battery. My boss swears that machine does not charge that battery, and I know it does. Let's see if I can get this up without the truck shutting out. Nope, what did I tell you? Damn it. All right. There it is, the power came back on. Let me just get this up. It only does this every now and then. Like I said, he says nothing can be done about it. It's just some glitch that these new service trucks have. But doesn't do it all the time. Lately, it has been doing it quite often. Start my truck before I wear my battery down on my strobe lights. I just reset the clock on this thing too. All right. Oh, there we go. Okay, so that's going to do it for this one, I guess. Like I said, just had to charge the batteries. They call it as a no start. These trucks sometimes sit for a while, weeks at a time. I thought something was left on, but it wasn't. So, okay, so until the next road call, I'll see y'all on the next one.